The advantage of being a small creator in a niche full of big experts is that you will be able to work with each client in a more personalized and in an individual way. And I say that because talking with my business partner, Danilo, yesterday, we came into the conclusion that in the AI area, there are a lot of big creators, and they will actually spend uh, a lot of money on teaching people that it is important, and they might need to use AI on their businesses to grow faster, to scale more, to grow their revenue. And the point is, these big experts will not be able to attend to every client in an individual way. And that's the part that I, as a small creator, as a service provider, will be able to deliver. So I need, as a I would say, as a small fish in an ocean full of sharks, I see that my opportunity is being closer to my client, so having a more human contact, trying to really understand their problem. And because that is, if you see like a big creator opening a course with 1000 subscribers, 1000 leads, clients, students, this creator will not be able to attend to 1000 people at the same time with quality. And the thing is, I am able to right now to create a service that is personalized for my client and not charge that much yet, because I will not scale by charging a lot. I am learning while I am charging. So I don't want even to get rich by providing services. No, I am understanding problems in being in contact with them through my clients. And for that, I need to work in a really specialized way and a really personalized way, and being in close contact with each client. And that's the opportunity I see right now for my kind of work. And I just wanted to share this thought today. And for the if you I know that this is a short video comparing to the last few ones, but if you saw until the end, I just want to explain that it is 11 p.m. and I did not record this earlier and in advance. So I tried to create a shorter video with something that I really think about, but without having to spend too much time thinking about structuring the slides or editing a longer video. So I will post it as it is. I see you guys in the next video.